Zebra, first started enabling our portfolio with CBRS or private 5G devices back in 2021. That started off with our TC26 device, and you can see that we've really expanded. We have a full breadth of handheld devices. Our TC58, 78 are now also private 5G capable and support all the key band. But also just recently, we've also released what we call our MC9450. Traditionally, our MC9000 products have been Wi-Fi only. These are purpose-built devices for warehouse management. You can see there's actually a physical keyboard on there to run very specific applications that our customers require. The MC9450 is our first cellular capable MC9000 product, which we're very proud and excited to talk about. And again, it is capable of actually running on those private 5G networks. Along with our handheld portfolio, we also have our tablet portfolio. So you can see that we have a mix of both Windows and Android devices that are capable of not only private 5G, Wi-Fi, but also running on the public networks as well. These products are very key and essential for certain use cases where we're seeing where customers need a mobile computer within their forklifts, within their facility, or products such as, let's say, our ET45, which is a very light form factor type tablet where they can utilize that for scenarios such as, hey, I need a tablet to give me additional information when it comes to servicing machinery on the line, or even notifying some of the workers, hey, what's coming down the pipe? How do I adjust the production line for certain things that may be happening? In terms of coverage, because we know that many of our customers do not operate just in one part of the globe. They are multinationals. This technology, as well as Zebra devices, can interoperate globally. There are multiple bands that have been designed for private wireless networks in order to ensure that not only can you actually use or have a private 5G network within the US, but also in EMEA, APAC, and many different regions that, I actually have a set of devices that can actually run on that network, and the network itself can actually interoperate within those different regions.